Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I got a special surprise for you guys. We're going to be doing something just a little bit different. We're not doing barbecue, but we are doing something tasty and delicious and teach you guys how to do some chicken empanadas. That's right, you heard it right, empanadas. Check it out. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. Got nothing special here, just some regular ordinary chicken I picked up at the store. Bought this at Costco today, and we're just gonna take it out of the package. Drain some of these juices out, or maybe not even drain it. We'll just see if we can keep the juices inside the packet and get the chicken out. We're gonna season the chicken a little bit using our Sexy Chicken. That's some really good stuff right there. And I like getting the chicken that still has the skin on it. The skin adds that extra flavor because needless to say, people like eating a little bit more healthier, but the flavor comes from the fat, no doubt about it. Okay, so I like getting the chicken, still got some fat on it, still got the skin on it, and we're gonna season it up and put it in this pot, bring it to a boil and let it get nice and tender, and then we're just gonna shred it apart. And I'm gonna be using the Sexy Chicken, guys. This is good stuff. Just sprinkle a little bit on it. Actually, I'm not even gonna grab it. I'm just gonna put it right on the skin, flip them over. Oh my gosh, it smells so good already. And put them in this pot. We're gonna fill it up with water and bring it to a boil. When it gets nice and shredded, roughly about 35-40 minutes, it'll be ready to get pulled off the bone. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what these chicken thighs come out like. So I've had these chicken thighs boiling for about 30-40 minutes already, and we're gonna take one out of this pot, and they're still a little bit warm. So all I'm gonna do with this chicken right here or this chicken thigh, is just strip the meat right off the bone. You know, it's been, when you boil chicken, it'll cook pretty fast. And see how that comes off the bone just like that. So once we got all the meat off the bone, get this back part right here, just scrape it just like that right off the bone. There you go, that's good enough. So toss that. And we're gonna just cut this up into nice little pieces. Skin and all. And that's it. Got it shredded up, almost like pulled chicken. Yeah, it's like we're cutting it up with our knife. So pick it up, and we're gonna use that as our filler to go inside of our empanadas. And we may add a little bit more of our Sexy Chicken, give it that nice little kick. Can't wait till these are done. I'm gonna get the rest of these chicken thighs shredded up, guys. You guys stay tuned. Let's start putting these empanadas together. I've already got my dough laid out, and I'm not using any fancy dough. I don't make my own dough, but you know, I do, you know, buy it at the store, and if you do happen to see it, you know, it's called El Sembrador. They make dough for pastries. It doesn't have to be a pastry. It could be, you know, a dish like this, you know, for chicken or for beef, or, you know, for whatever you want to put in it. But got my dough spread out, and sometimes the edges will get a little bit crusted because you keep them in the freezer. And all you got to do is take a little bit of water and just wet the edges of it, and it'll soften that dough up really good. So all we're doing here is just putting a little bit of water around the edges, and it'll make that dough, you know, for better words, pliable again. So then I'm gonna get my chicken, put it inside my dough, I'm also gonna add a little bit of shredded cheese, because you know, who doesn't like cheese inside their pastries? And then we just fold it over, you know, let the ends meet up, and you can then fold them. That way when you put them inside the fryer, you know, you can also bake these in the oven if you wanted to, but you know, we're gonna fry them. Fold them over just like that, and that'll hold all the juices inside. And there you go, one homemade empanada. We're gonna get this fryer fired up and get them fried up. You guys stay tuned. Go ahead and check the temperature of this grease. I'm outside, didn't want to stink up the house with, you know, all that frying inside, so I'm over on the side of my house next to my smokers and my equipment. So what we want to hit is roughly a temperature between 350 and 375. Anything lower than 350, then the food's gonna come out greasy, and anything higher than 375, you get up to 400, and you probably gotta watch it carefully, because if not, it'll burn. So I got my analog thermometer here. We're gonna watch it and see how high it goes up. So 100, boy, it went up to 100 really quick. 150, no, actually, I'm sorry, I'm reading the wrong, I'm reading Celsius. So right there, we are at 350, and we're getting close to 375. So I'm gonna lower the temperature on this thing here a little bit. Let's drop some in there, see what happens. Boom, 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 boom. Raise this up a little bit. And these should go fairly quickly. There we go. It's a sizzling. I love that sound. You know, there's not, well, there's a lot of things that are better, but fried food, you know, is pretty good, especially empanadas, stuffed with chicken and cheese. You know, these are gonna be fantastic. And look at that, look how quickly it gets golden brown. And I probably got room in there for another one. Just carefully drop it in there. There we go. And she'll be frying away. Let me get these fried up, and I'm gonna show them to you in just a little bit. So let's take a look at these these empanadas. Man, they are looking fantastic. Let me pull them out of here, raise this, and let the grease drain a little bit. And I'll see if I can turn it this way and show you guys what these empanadas look like. Look at that, nice and fluffy. I'm gonna get the rest of these in there, and it'll be time to do a little taste test, see what they come out like. These empanadas came out fantastic, guys. Just take a look at the nice crispiness of the dough, you know, just fried up. Guys, there ain't nothing better than fried empanadas. Well, actually there is, you know, but this is good stuff. Time to do a taste test, see what it's all about. Now, I'm gonna tell you, when it comes to empanadas like this, either with chicken or with beef, I like using Tabasco sauce. And just a little bit, when you grab your fried empanada and you put a couple dabs of it on the inside, man, the sexy chicken with the cheese and the fried dough and the hit of the vinegar with the Tabasco sauce. Oh my gosh, my mouth is running. This is good stuff. I gotta get me another bite. Woo! I love it. Oh, sorry. It don't get no better than this. Well, actually, it can't get better, but for right now, this moment in time, This is absolute perfection. We're gonna sit down. Family's gotta eat, but I want to tell you guys something. I appreciate you guys very much watching my channel. I appreciate you guys. Do me a favor, over there on the side, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, click that bell, get notifications of upcoming videos, and as always, you know, everything that I use, I'll put it down in the description. Go out and check out my webpage, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Have a good one. See you on the next cookout.